Alright, so this video will walk you through the last step of your My Budget Project spreadsheet where you actually put in your budget values. So I put in some made-up numbers here that I created. And then I'm going to scroll down here. You can read the instructions there. But what I need to do is find the sum, first of all, of how much I make. If I had several items of income, I could put all of these in, but I'm pretty much going to add whatever's there. Okay, so this is my sum income right here. And then I'm going to do the same thing, equals sum, parentheses, of my expenses. And again, if you have more items here for the extras, you can include them in the blank spaces. I'm going to press enter, and it will give me the sum right there. Now, what I need to do is the difference between these. So I'm going to press equals right here, and I'm going to take what I make minus what I spend, and then equals. Okay? Now this is a positive value here, which is awesome. Okay, this is exactly what we want it to be. But let's say that, my mortgage, is a lot more expensive. Then if I change that, then now my difference here is a negative value. Okay, and you definitely don't want that. So if when you do the project, your final difference value here is negative, then you need to either cut down on your expenses or find a way to increase your income.